Okay, we're gonna assess the problem here. It's unleveled, and whenever we pull the trash out, it leaves rocks there. We could obviously rock glue it, but I don't want to have to do that. I just want to level it. We already have the stones here to do it. This is what we'll be dealing with today. There goes the roosters. Whenever we pull these out, brings a bunch of rocks and dirt to the driveway. Obviously I could do rock glue, but it's rocks and dirt mixed together, and I don't really want to do that. I'd rather just level it, because you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's higher. It's like a higher mound right here. So I'd rather just level it with the driveway, and we could pull the trash bins out without making a mess with rocks and dirt. We already got the pavers, and then I have a bunch of leftover pavers here from the walkway that I could use as well to edge it. Doesn't even have to be anything crazy or expensive, just something functional for us, just to keep the dirt and rocks from going onto the driveway and us having to sweep it or leaf blowing it back into this area. It's also kind of hard to maneuver around with all the dirt and rocks. Okay, so today we are going to be leveling this area. Got some pavers, shovel, have to get rid of all the dirt to level it, and also move this broken lawnmower. Gotta do this before it starts getting too hot and before all the fire ants come out. They're already starting to come out. First, I also gotta move these bins and that. I am underneath my tree because it's already starting to get hot, but we have to shovel down 2 layers. I have this paver, which is a little thicker. This is the same paver I used to do our walkway. I would like to use this as like the edging, the border, to make it match with the walkway. And then we have this paver. It's not as thick, it's probably like half the thickness of that one. And this is what the trash cans will sit on and roll on and off of, so that way we don't have to deal with pulling dirt and rocks onto the driveway all the time. So those are my 2 pavers that I'm gonna use. Right here closest to the driveway, it's not as unleveled, it's leveled with the driveway, but when you come more up, it's like mounded. I don't know if you could tell, but there's a lot more rocks and dirt right there that needs to be smoothed out. So I'm gonna time lapse that so you don't have to watch me doing that for who knows how long it's gonna take me. It's already getting hot, the fire ants are coming out. I might have to go change my shoes, and yeah, we'll get into this. And just like that, it's all dug up. Just kidding, my husband came out and helped, and he did it a lot faster than I would have. But now we have a whole bunch of unleveled dirt over here too, so gotta level that out. but now I can put the edging and then the other ones down. And we don't really have to like put any leveling sand down because our dirt is very compacted. So it kind of levels itself out. So here I did like this border for our walkway. I want to do that. And then I'll put the square stepping stones for the trash bins. But I would just like to edge this just so it could be the same. Okay, so I got this area edged out. And it's pretty level with the driveway. Try to chisel out some concrete right here, but I just don't have the energy for it. So I might just fill that area with rocks or something, or just leave it, I don't know. But now I'm gonna lay down the big squares just to see how much more edging I have to go down. But I'm pretty sure this is like the end of it right here. But I have to put more dirt, fill in the dirt, because these papers are a little thicker than square ones. So I'm gonna have to fill the dirt back in just to get the square one level with these papers. Okay, it got hot, so my husband brought out an umbrella for me. Neighbors playing some music, if you hear that. So far, this is what I've got. Got some more to do, a couple more, like 24 more of the big ones, and however much the little ones takes me across. I was trying to chisel this out. The cement right here for this post for the gate. Just this little piece, so I could put a little brick right here. But I just don't have the energy for that, so I'm gonna leave it. I guess I'll just fill it with rocks or something, just so it's not that dirt right there. But yeah, I even brought out my stuff, but I don't have the energy for that. So let me finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I had to wait for the one to pass, but it's gone now. Trash pad is complete. I have 9 extra pavers here. This is how it looks. I gotta get the leaf blower and blow it off and then pull all the trash bins back. I am no professional. I use what I can, what I have, or get what I can for cheap. And it all works out. It probably won't last forever, but it's good enough for now. Keeps the dirt and the rocks from going to driveway. That's all I wanted. Nice. You can also see how much we dug up. Dug up quite a bit. See, the dirt is higher here, quite lower here. And that's not even from us just throwing piles of dirt over there. That's just how high it already was. So the dirt was very unlevel here with the driveway, which is why dirt and rocks kept dragging onto our driveway. But now we won't have that problem. And yes, our trash is broke. That is it for today. Just wanted to get that done. Trash day is on Thursday, so we should have no problem pulling and putting the trash out to the street. I hope you guys liked today's video. Like I said, I'm no professional, so don't take my word for how I do things. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe. Okay, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet, but I'm thinking I should put another row of pavers because I have enough, and also just in case if like one of these bins if I need that one out and these two don't go out. So I could easily roll it out without having to hit these. And also I need to level this and fill in this area because look, my dogs are dropping all the rocks and dirt onto there, which is what we were trying to avoid in the first place.